if you have early 2000s Silverado, Sierra, any of these trucks with these LS motors, and you jump in it one day to start it and it won't start, I'll show you a couple tricks. So right now the security light is on and flashing. I put my key in it and I turn my key forward and it immediately goes away. I can start eliminating potential problems of why it won't start. Now I already fixed this truck, but I'm just going to show you what I did. So right now, when you turn the key, you'd hear a click, but nothing would happen. The truck wouldn't start. But again, my battery is good. That security light right there, you turn the key, it goes away. All right, so I can start eliminating potential problems. So I'm getting power up here. I obviously checked all of my fuses and all those are good. So if this ever happens to you, what you can diagnose, come to your electrical panel, the little box right here, remove that. And what it is this relay right here. If you want to check if your starter's no good, take it, wiggle it out, and it's this prong right here. If you take a jumper wire, you know, a piece of wire, and you go from this corner right here, and then you touch your hot terminal on your battery. As soon as you touch it, and it starts and starts cranking over, then you can say, oh, it's not my starter's fine. I have a different problem. But if you touch right there, and the other end of it goes on here to bump it, and nothing happens, and you just hear a click, and nothing else happens, you can confidently say, hey, my starter's no good. You can throw a starter in it, and you're off to the races. So just a tip, you know. And then a couple other random side notes. If you suspect your relay's bad, there's ways you can put your hand on it and feel the relay click, or you can just take one of these other relays and just swap them. They're all the same. You can take this one out, put, if you suspect that's your problem, you know, without spending money. But anyways, obviously check your fuses. But with me on this truck, it's not my truck, but it wouldn't start, so I came over real quick. Check the fuses. You can see which ones are for anything ignition related. I checked those real fast. That was the first thing I did. But when I came to the truck, like I said, I put the key in and the security light goes away. I can rule out anything related to the alarm. You know, that pretty much tells me that it's not a problem up in here. That's why I went to the jumper wire, jumped it again from the corner of that relay right there to the positive side of the battery, and the same click sound. It was just one click and nothing happens. It doesn't and try to, you know, rotate over. So I threw a starter in it and it's all good to go. Cheers.